Welcome back to another IT Hub guide. Today, I'll be walking you through how to download the Horizon Virtual Desktop Client onto your personal Mac computer. Remember, only personally owned computers need to install the client. In your preferred web browser, type apps1.la.psu.edu and hit Enter. Once it loads, you'll need to sign into your Penn State Microsoft account if you're not already. When prompted, enter your Penn State web access information. You will also be asked to verify with Duo at this time. Once the authentication goes through, Microsoft will ask if you'd like to stay signed in. Go ahead and answer this to your preference. Welcome to the IT Hub. You'll go to the Apps tab later, but for now, click on the round account button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. It should have your initials on it. In the menu that pops up, click the Account button. This takes you to your Preferences screen. Click the Install text link on the Horizon Client button. This will open the VMware Download Hub. Find the row that says VMware Horizon Client for Mac and click Go to Downloads. On the Download product page, locate the blue Download Now button. Your download may take a few minutes to finish. If a dialog box comes up and asking you to open the file or save the file, choose Save File and then click OK. When the download finishes, you'll see it in your Downloads folder as the VMware Horizon Client.dmg. Double-click on the file to launch the installer. A pop-up will appear asking you to agree to the following End License User Agreement. To continue, you'll need to agree to the following terms. Once you see the following screen, you'll need to drag the Horizon Client into your Applications folder. Next, you might be asked to enter your computer's admin password. This should complete the installation. Before opening the Horizon Client, you'll need to make a couple changes to your system preferences. Navigate to that on your Mac. Once there, go to Security and Privacy, and then the Privacy tab. Click on the lock icon in the lower left-hand corner so that it allows you to make changes to your Mac. You may need to enter your admin password at this time. Scroll down in the left-hand column and click on the Accessibility tab. Next, scroll down in the right-hand column and search for the VMware Horizon Client. Double-check that this box is checked. If it is, click on the lock icon in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen and close the System Preferences. At this time, your computer may ask you to restart. If it does, click Restart Now. If it doesn't, remember to restart your computer later. Our next step is to launch the VMware Horizon Client. Go to your Applications folder and scroll down until you find it. Click on the app and open the client. You may see a dialog box asking if you trust the app. Click the Open button. At this time, you'll be asked to enter the name of the connection server. Type apps1.la.psu.edu in all caps. The address won't work if it's entered in lowercase. Hitting Connect will take you back to the IT Hub. Congrats! You just installed the Horizon Client onto your Mac. Now you can follow our Virtual Desktop Universal Login Guide to log into the Horizon Client for the very first time.